In this video, we will explain why your iPhone is not receiving texts and provide 10 effective solutions to help you quickly restore normal message reception. Part 1. Why am I not receiving texts on my iPhone? Common reasons why an iPhone may not receive incoming texts include network issues, incorrect iMessage or SMS settings, airplane mode, SIM or eSIM problems, insufficient storage, iOS glitches, carrier outages, or blocked contacts. Part 2. How to fix iPhone not receiving texts. If your iPhone cannot receive text messages, you can follow the methods below to troubleshoot the issue one by one. Solution 1. Check your network connection. Step 1. Check the status bar at the top of your iPhone screen to confirm whether you have a cellular signal. Step 2. Open Control Center and make sure airplane mode is turned off. Step 3. Turn cellular data off and then turn it back on. Step 4. If you are currently connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile network. Step 5. Wait a few seconds and allow your iPhone to reconnect to your carrier network. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset network settings. Step 2. Enter your passcode if required, then confirm the reset. Keep in mind that resetting network settings will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and other network-related settings. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Step 2. Wait for about 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to restart your device. Step 3. Open the Messages app and check whether your iPhone can receive new text messages. Solution 4. Check iMessage settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Messages, then make sure iMessage is enabled. Step 2. Tap Send and Receive and verify that your phone number and Apple ID are correctly connected. Step 3. If iMessage is not working properly, try turning off iMessage, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. Solution 5. Check if the contact is blocked. Step 1. Open Settings, Messages, Blocked Contacts to view your blocked numbers. Step 2. Swipe left on the contact or number you want to unblock, then tap Unblock. Solution 6. Check message filters. Step 1. Go to Settings, Messages and check whether Filter Unknown Senders is enabled. Step 2. If it is turned on, disable this feature to allow messages from unknown senders to appear in your inbox. Solution 7. Enable messaging. Step 1. Go to Settings, Messages and find the messaging option. Step 2. Turn on messaging and make sure cellular data is enabled. Step 3. Restart your iPhone and try sending or receiving messages again. Solution 8. Update iOS. Step 1. Open Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. If a new iOS update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Solution 9. Update the carrier settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General About and wait a few seconds. Step 2. If a carrier settings update notification appears, tap Update. Step 3. After the update is completed, restart your iPhone and check whether text messages are working normally. Solution 10. Use iOS System Recovery. If your iPhone still can't receive texts, an iOS system repair tool like iOS System Recovery can fix deeper system issues without technical expertise. Its standard mode repairs problems without data loss. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer, then launch the program and connect your iPhone with a USB cable. Step 2. Select iOS System Recovery from the main interface and click Start to detect and fix iOS system issues that may cause your iPhone not to receive texts. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode to repair iOS system errors without deleting your personal data, then click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Check your iPhone information, download the matching firmware package, and click Repair to start fixing the system problems causing the iPhone not receiving text issue. Step 5. Wait for the repair process to complete. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After that, open the Messages app and check whether you can receive text messages normally.